Hey everyone, Yann here from Devolutions. Now that you've purchased or signed up for the free trial of the Devolutions Starter Pack, it's time to help you get started on the right foot. If you're not familiar with our starter pack, it's our all-inclusive IT toolbox, specifically designed for small teams of up to 5 users. With it, you can manage passwords and credentials, remote and secure access to endpoints, and even privilege accounts. Now, for the sake of time, I won't go into the nitty-gritty of each solution's installation and configuration options. As you explore, you're more than welcome to contact our support team, check out our documentation, watch our free tutorials on the Devolutions Academy or YouTube to help answer your questions. Our goal in this video is to take you through the journey, step by step, of what you can expect as you discover it for yourself. After receiving your license via email or signing into the Devolutions portal, you'll need to choose where to host your data. We provide you with several excellent options. Option 1, you can host it in the cloud with Devolutions Hub Business, or option 2, you can host it using Devolutions Server. If you choose the cloud route, you'll be guided through creating your hub and configuring it directly in the web interface. If you choose to self-host, you'll need to download and install the Devolutions console to deploy a Devolutions instance on the machine of your choice. Once you sign in for the first time, whether in hub or server, you'll have to enter in your license to activate and unlock all the accompanying tools. Both hub and server will act as the command center for all the integrations within the Devolutions ecosystem. If you plan on using the starter pack within a team, now is a great time to invite up to 4 more users so that they can explore and take advantage with you. To do this, go to Administration, then Users, and either create or invite them to your hub business or Devolutions server. Now it's time to add contents to your vault. Try adding some credentials, websites, passwords, remote sessions, and other shared information that you use on a daily basis. Start small and let it grow with you. We want you to feel comfortable, but also productive as you start to get a feel for how all of the products work together. Now your Devolutions Hub business or server should be up and running with the basics. Now for the fun part. You choose what applications to use based on your needs and environment. Now to help you get started, let's examine each of the various products included in the starter pack, explain their benefits, and find out where to get them so you can try them out for yourself, starting with Devolutions Workspace. As we were just in the web interface of Hub or DVLS, you can see that accessing data is pretty straightforward. However, if you prefer having a dedicated app to access your content, the Workspace app may be a perfect fit for you. Plus, it's available on both desktop and mobile. Now, once installed, your first step is to connect them to your data sources, either Hub or DVLS or both. From the Workspace application, you can access all the vault content you created earlier. This is convenient for grabbing application passwords, OTPs, and other credentials from a centralized location or when you're on the go. Since we're discussing Workspace, you'll also want to check out the Workspace browser extension. Once enabled and connected to your data source, you can browse your stored websites directly from the extension. Use it as a bookmarked favorites tool or have it autofill a website's credentials when you visit. This is also a great way of creating website entries with strong passwords directly in your vaults as you visit them. Try it out. Next up, if you access endpoints often in segmented networks, you may be interested in using the Devolutions Gateway. It offers authorized just-in-time access to resources, secures traffic, and logs every connection, so you don't have to pass through a separate traditional VPN. It integrates seamlessly with our solutions and provides additional security and tools like browser-based launching, session recording, and live session shadowing. Now, in order to use the gateway, you'll need to download and run the gateway installer to configure and host the gateway on one of your servers. Once installed and configured in Hub or DVLS, your remote sessions can pass through the gateway and take advantage of all the features mentioned earlier. For more information, check out the gateway links below in the description. If you prefer to launch remote sessions using a dedicated application, we have our Devolutions Launcher. It's a simple and lightweight tool to help you quickly access endpoints and get work done. Once downloaded and installed, all you need to do is point it to your Hub or DVLS, and then voila, you can access and launch your remote connections directly from the app. If you want to take it up a notch and have even more tools and integrations at your fingertips, then you're ready to take on Remote Desktop Manager. To get started, download RDM from our website and install it on the machine or device of your choice. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and even on mobile on iOS and Android. Once installed and connected to your hub or DVLS, you can see your vaults and their contents, access hundreds of various IT resources, credential types, remote sessions, VPNs, scripting tools, and more. As I connect to these endpoints using various protocols, you can see how the credentials were sent directly to the resources without even revealing them. All the while, my sessions are being recorded live so that I can review them later if necessary. Finally, there's our PAM component, designed to protect your most sensitive accounts that have access to high-risk systems. Since Devolutions Hub is a cloud service, in order to manage privileged accounts, you'll want to download and install the Hub service first. Once the required components are in place, you're now ready to create your first PAM provider. These providers are the connection that allows you to import privileged accounts into your PAM vaults to manage and use securely. Now you can access these privileged accounts using our checkout and approval process. Here you can set a request for the account for a specific time and even elevate your group permissions. When you're all done using the privileged account's password, you can check it back in, and the password will rotate, keeping the surface of attack minimal, all while maintaining the principle of zero standing privileges. Now let's summarize the getting started steps we quickly went over. First, you need to choose where you want to store your data, in the cloud, on your server, or a hybrid of both. If you're working in a team, you can invite up to 4 other users to help you get started, or you can invite them later. Then register your license in Hub or DVLS's web interface and create some credentials, remote sessions, and IT resources that you use on a daily basis. Now, if you prefer to access your content with a dedicated app, download Devolutions Workspace. And don't forget to install the browser extension for seamless password autofill on your websites. If you'd like an alternative to a VPN to secure traffic, launch sessions via the web, the gateway can help you with that. Also, if you need a lightweight native app to quickly access endpoints from a Windows machine, try out the Devolutions Launcher. Now, if you want to fully integrate your existing IT resources, centralize your remote sessions, and take advantage of additional automation tools, you'll definitely want to download and install Remote Desktop Manager. And finally, if you're ready to elevate your security posture and manage privileged accounts with ease, check out Devolutions PAM. As you just saw, the starter pack is full of tools for you to take advantage of, and we know it's a lot to take in. So we suggest you take it on one application at a time. As you explore, you're bound to come across some great questions. So feel free to contact our team, browse our documentation, or check out our free training sessions on the Devolutions Academy or on YouTube. We're here to help. So enjoy the starter pack and have fun exploring.